Alrighty, we have an update here at the N Street grade crossing on the UP Geneva Sub in Galt, Illinois. As you can see, this crossing is very close to replacement now. The new signals are on the ground awaiting installation. New foundations are in. And you got gravel off to the side for grading. So yeah, this crossing is going to be replaced here any day now. They already got Galt Road done at the English. Galt Road is finished. So this crossing will obviously be next. See the new foundation there. There's the new southern signal over here. And as you can see, this signal will have side lights as well to protect the traffic turning off of Harvey Road right there. A little passive crossing down there for a spur track. See, I mean, they already got the counterweights on and everything, so any day now, N Street will be replaced. I may even come back up tomorrow and see if they get it done, but I'm not sure yet. There's the new northern signal sitting over here. Once again, counterweights installed and everything. I'm almost kind of curious if they'll reuse the gates here since they already have NEG clear LEDs as opposed to Ricoh gate lights as most replacements go. But we'll have to wait and see. I would guess probably not, but you never know. There's a new foundation on this side. So yeah, it won't be much longer for these signals. These are 90s era C&NW signals. UP replaced the original gate mechanisms on these with WCH style 4-1s. But now these are getting replaced, so rest in peace to these.